This looks like a picture, behaves like a picture. Even the properties looks like a picture. However, if we open this picture with WinRAR, we're going to find a little secret. To do this, we're going to start from scratch. So we create a folder on the desktop, and inside the folder, we create another folder that will hold our secret files. Then we drop a picture in here and add our folder to a .rar archive. If you don't have WinRAR installed, just Google it or click the link in the description. Click the search bar and type CMD, then press enter. Copy /B, our picture plus the RAR file, and then a name of our choosing for the new file. And that's it. The only thing that will indicate there might be something sus with this file is the size of it. We can find our hidden files by opening the picture with WinRAR. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like if you found this useful and subscribe if you want to see more.